Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Finder Africa, the platform where we help you discover powerful AI tools across different industries. And today we'll be exploring an amazing AI tool under education called AdCreative.ai. I know a lot of us has never heard about this tool before. I would quickly walk us through how this tool works and how to exploit under AIFinder.africa, step by step on how to exploit this amazing AI tool. Step 1. Accessing the tool. Head over to your Chrome or Google and search for AIFinder.africa, and here we are. To save your time, you can actually just type creative.ai. Yes, we have it now. Let's explore. Click on the AdCreative.ai and get in. Yes. Step 2. Let's talk about what the tool does. Creative.ai is designed to save time for marketers, business owners, and agencies by generating multiple and variations instantly. Instead of spending hours designing, these amazing AI tools create ready-to-use ad optimized for conversion. Step 3. Click on the exploit tool. And here we are. We have try for free now. Start free with Google. All you need to do is sign up an account and get used. Let's get right into it. Let's sign up. So here, you need to add your payment details, your card, fill in everything, and get started. 3 steps to creating your studio's quality art. Number 1 step, import your brand in seconds. All you need to do is import your logo, your color, your font, and style with just 1 click, making every ad 100% on your brand, and you have the amazing high quality result. Step 2, select the art type. Pick the perfect format for your campaign. Run into any art style you need in a second. You want traffic, engagement, lead. Pick the perfect format for your campaign. And step 3, sit back while these AI tools produce conversion-focused creative faster than it takes to write a headline. And see you generating AI converting art in a second, stress-free and perfect. One amazing feature about this art is the creative scoring system. One amazing features about this AI is that creative scoring system. This allows you predict how each creative is likely to perform in terms of click and conversion. It helps you choose the best ad before spending money on campaigns. Another amazing thing about it is that download and integrate. Once you're happy with your product design, this AI provides for you. You can download instantly. Also connect AdCreative.ai directly with your Google Ads or Facebook ad account to publish faster. This is not just any kind of AI. This is an AI intentionally built for business owners to make a massive sales in their business. And that is how simple it is to explore AdCreative.ai through Finder. If you're a business owner, marketer, and entrepreneur looking to save time and improve your ad performance, these tools might just be what you need. Stay tuned here on AI Finder Africa as we continue to uncover more AI platforms, transforming the way we work. See you in the next video.